Mr. Bloxham here from Bay House School, just showing some pupils how to make cookies. We're either doing chocolate orange or I'm doing some lemon and I'm making lemon icing. So the first thing I'm going to do is grate the lemon, and then I'm going to time myself. Right, sir, can you get a timer off of the thing and set it to 0? And I'm going to see how long it takes me to make them. And just say 0, only when I say go, sir, you're going to start it, and then you're going to stop it when I finish. You're going to get your name on the board up there if you can do it in under a certain time, you year 7s. Normally under 2 minutes you'll have to get your name on the door. So the lemon you're allowed to put in first, because obviously that's extra work. Okay, so I'm going to move that to a side. This is called a palette knife for chopping it. All I'm going to do is rub it together, make it into a ball, cut it into 8, get it on the tray, get it in the oven. That's the rules. So 3, 2, 1, sir, go. Rub it together. You can have anything next week, you guys. Chocolate chips, I'm going to chocolate orange in a minute. These ones are going to have lemon icing on. Sultanas. Rather than chocolate chips, I chop a bar of Smart Price chocolate up. That will cost 30p. And we only use half the bar, so it's 15p worth of chocolate. So once it's rubbed together, like this, like breadcrumbs, then we can push it, squeeze it into a ball, squeeze it into a ball. This is quicker when it's nice warm weather, because the margarine's a lot softer. So this one's in here, cut it out, squidge it into 8. Don't try and roll it into 8, because it sometimes just falls apart. Cut it in half, half again, half again, half again, half again, half again, half again. That wasn't very good, that one. Pick all 8 up, put them round this way. Push them all down. And in the oven, what time was that, sir?
1 minute 3 seconds.
1 minute 3 seconds. So, okay, that's lemon cookies. Now we're going to make the same again with some chocolate cookies. I'm going to see if I can do it under a minute. I normally do it under a minute. I'm a bit slow today. In here, so we've got some chocolate. I'll just put it in with the last bit of lemon. I've got a bar of chocolate here. I'm only going to put half a bar of this in. Got a sharp knife. This works out only 15p's worth. I've put half a bar in. And all you do to chop it with a large knife is use the heel action, like so. Yeah, I'm not going to put the chocolate in until I've rubbed it together. This would take slightly longer normally. Yeah, and I'm going to do some orange zest as well. But I'm not putting the chocolate in yet, but I'm going to put the orange zest in. A little bit of orange, chocolate orange, and we use the orange as well. That doesn't normally break off like that. Only push it down. These graters are really good, by the way. I bought these from Amazon. Really good. Only take it off, as you can see, I'm only taking off the orange part, not the pith. I'm only taking off the zest. The pith can be a bit bitter, but the zest gives it a good orange flavour. Then we still have the orange, and we can segment the orange. So I've got all this orange zest off there. The normal cheese graters get blocked up with it. They're not so good. I don't like those so much. I'll finish with this today. That can go in the sink. And then I think we're ready to go. You're just going to start the clock again, sir. And I'm going to give you a 3, 2, 1. I'm going to get my tray ready. I'm going to see if I can do this one in under a minute. On the marks, get set, go. So this one's got cocoa in it. There's 165 grams of flour, 100 butter, 100 sugar, and extra baking powder. This one we've taken out 20 grams of cocoa, 20 grams of flour, and added roughly 20 grams of cocoa. And I'm going to put chocolate chips in it. So, in here, keep rubbing it. This one hopefully will go together. Right now I'm going to put the chocolate in. Push it together with your hand. The fastest pupil ever to have done it is, I think, 1 minute and 8 seconds. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute 8.
Shush. Okay, once it's like into a sausage, cut it into 8, in half, half again, half again, half again. This is slightly harder because the chocolate chips are in the way. Pick it all up onto the tray, and it's also good always to put a white one on with these. And I'm going to tell them that later. They have to try and guess why that is, but not yet in a minute. Then we get to put them in the oven, and we're done. Thank you. Anyway, that's thank you from Bay House School. like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.